Hi, man. How are you? Look, can not try something. Ke dira di YouTube video ne. So ke thusha batho ka dijo, ke spread the kindness ne. So I was asking if ever I could help you guys, maybe 5 of you. Ke le regeleng dijo le 5. Yes. So I choose you because I want you to choose 4 more people ba lo reng ka ba regela here. Ba lo re le bereka le bona. Ke tshwere le metsi mo ne ke tlo le.
YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube, all of them. I do. Yeah? You want to me?
What bring for?
Yes, it's me.
Of 500 or 500?
Yes, it's me.
Oh.
So today or are you like you are?
Okay.
So here's the water. So can you go to choose by 5?
By 5?
Yes. I will do. The company
okay. Makazi.
Here's the water.
Makazi. Hey. Rosie. Tell me.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. Hey.
Yes. So ke tle le tsona gore le ba boja before ke ya go.
Makazi. Bare e tsabatamela. Okay.
So ne ke nyako thusha ba 5 ke ka mpho budget ya ka for today le nga one. So
nna ke re o labolela sona nna ke mmone mo TikTok a eme ko
it was Savannah Mall.
Ko Savannah Mall. Ntate mongwe a kgopela 10 rand ya ro ya sekolong. A fa ntate la mo fa 10 rand. A ibisha beke e le 500.
So now I want to know what I was thinking of the hot wings meal ne, which is 100 rand ne. Or we're gonna split right 10 people, which is over the streetwise 2. So I don't know what which is 5 is gonna be there, then 10 is gonna be here.
Okay. Mamela mo sister bo tsho le ba nne go tsare. Bare mamunta relax ba rekela di. Re banya ka batho ba itse. Abujo. O ro rekela di batho ba itse.
That's why I re ne ke nagane the hot wings meal.
Oh, wena re thusa bile ba re sena di. Ka tsona mo.
So it's either or the hot wings meal, which is gonna be for 5 people, or it's gonna be the streetwise 2, which is gonna be for 10 people.
The streetwise 2 are ringi over 1, 2, 3, 4. Arna more berga read sir. 8 to do 9.
So we're in the streetwise 2. I'll be back in maybe 30 minutes because of the number of orders.
All right.
Show me, bro. Kala the Street Boys 2, you know, with Pap did tell. Street Boys 2, Pap did tell.
Mat, harus beli sana nalu enak. Baru dua bulayan. Itu coba jaga.
Did tell.
Emangnya mat, jauh. Second, 1 minute. 1 minute. Kau nanti kerja maka pun udah pasti.
We're about to do the biggest order, my brother. It's gonna be the biggest order. They're still trying to find if I can get along with this 10 Street Boys 2. You see, we are made. So we just ordered, this is the order, so we're about to offer those people this food. Let's go. Sorry. Hey, shopping. Okay. Ke a gore di-voice di a oelela mara ne ke sa gore le nne le kae. Ha o ne bothata. Ha o ne bothata. O nyaka picture gape? Taizi. T-Y-Z-I-I-I. Taizi. Z-I-I. T-Y. T-Y.
Oh, sorry.
T-Y. Z-I-I-I. Shoe.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Have a good day, ne? This is good.